welcome back to Markopoly. As you can see, I tried to go a bit cinematic this time. I think it worked. Leave a thumbs up if you think so. And let's fix this angle. And okay, to kick things off, there's a couple little packages I haven't unboxed yet. This has the SIM ejection and the owner's manual, and this has the extra pen tips and the pen tip remover. But anyways, this is not what you came here for. Alright, most importantly, y'all came here to see the unboxing of this bad boy, the Tab S6. So, first of all, here's the pen. I got royal blue. The case hasn't come yet, in gray, so I don't know how that's gonna look like yet, but you know, we doing our own thing. But a moment of silence for the Tab S6 unboxing. Not from here, from here. Yeah, it's from here. And here you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Tab S6. This looks amazing. So I'm going to be doing a hands-on and first impressions with this next week after I get a keyboard and have a feel for the tablet. Also, this is going to be it for the unboxing, just a short little video, a little teaser, because next week is going to be the hands-on and first impressions of the Tab S6. So be sure to stay tuned for that. I can't wait to start playing with this bad boy. This is a wrap. Catch y'all on the next video. Best part about any unboxing.